If your T-Mobile phone isn't receiving calls, the issue likely stems from a few common causes. First, check if you've accidentally blocked the caller's number, either through your phone's settings or T-Mobile's blocking features. Next, ensure Do Not Disturb mode isn't active, as it silences incoming calls unless you've set exceptions. A faulty SIM card can also prevent call reception. This requires troubleshooting. Finally, network connectivity problems, potentially due to congestion or software glitches, can block calls. Recent firmware updates on Android and iOS aim to improve call stability, but these issues can still happen. By systematically checking these areas, you can pinpoint the reason calls aren't coming through. Let's troubleshoot the call issue step by step. First, check your blocked contacts. Access your T-Mobile online account or use your phone's settings, phone app, recents, block/unblock to unblock any unintended numbers. Then disable Do Not Disturb mode in your device settings, sound, DND, or set exceptions for important contacts. If those don't work, power off your phone, remove and reinsert the SIM card. If the issue persists, you may need a SIM replacement from a T-Mobile store. Finally, perform a network reset via Settings, General, Reset Network Settings, iOS. Or Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, Android. As a last resort, T-Mobile suggests dialing #4636 4636 on Android for a network refresh. These steps should resolve most call reception problems.